In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make infographics with Nano Banana. We'll use Google Gemini to generate clean, eye-catching visuals in a playful, minimal style, and I'll guide you through the exact workflow so you can go from idea to polished infographic in minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google Gemini. Make sure you're signed in so you can access the creative features. Once you're on the main page, look for the Tools area. This is where Gemini groups its specialized capabilities. Click Tools to open that panel. Next, choose Create Image. This tells Gemini you want a visual output rather than text. You'll see a setting that controls how the model thinks before it renders. It may default to fast. For infographic layouts, especially when you care about composition and clarity, switch that from fast to thinking. Click Thinking to confirm. Thinking mode takes a little longer, but it generally produces stronger structure, better alignment, and more consistent iconography. Exactly what you want for an infographic. Now click into the prompt area. This is where the magic happens. The more specific your instructions, the better the result. Type your prompt with 3 parts in mind: content, layout, and style. For content, state the topic and the key points you want visualized, like 3 benefits, a simple process, or a comparison. For layout, mention the format, such as a vertical poster with a big title at the top, 3 sections with numbered headers and icons next to each point. For style, describe Nano Banana: bright, high-contrast yellows with clean whites and dark grays, bold geometric shapes, rounded corners, simple flat icons, and clear sans serif labels. Add practical constraints like legible heading and body text, strong hierarchy, generous spacing, and a light background. If you know your output destination, include an aspect ratio like 1080 by 1920 for stories or 16 by 9 for slides. If you plan to add final text in another app, ask Gemini to use short labels or placeholders so the layout remains crisp. When your prompt feels complete, click Generate. Give it a moment. Thinking mode may take an extra beat. Review the result for readability, spacing, and balance. If a section feels crowded or a color is too strong, refine your prompt with tiny, targeted tweaks. Adjust the color intensity, increase padding, or ask for simpler icons. Then generate again until it clicks. That's it. With a clear prompt and thinking mode enabled, Gemini makes Nano Banana style infographics fast, consistent, and ready for export or final text polish.